Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to trade in Poketwo using an easy method. First, you need to understand the fundamental commands to start a trade. Always make sure both players are online and prepared for the exchange. It is crucial to confirm all items and Pokemon involved before you finalize anything. This ensures a smooth and successful transaction for everyone involved, saving time and avoiding misunderstandings. To initiate a trade, simply type P, trade followed by the other player's username. For example, P, trade at player 2. The other person then has a brief moment to accept your request. Once accepted, a dedicated trade window will pop up in your chat, allowing both of you to see the details. This is your first step towards exchanging your valuable Pokemon and items. Now, let's add your desired Pokemon or items to the trade. For Pokemon, use P, trade add followed by its slot number or name. If you want to add items, type P, trade add then the item's name and the quantity, like P, trade add rare candy 1. Always take a moment to review the trade summary to ensure everything is correct before moving forward. The final steps are crucial for a successful trade. Both participants must type P, trade confirm to signal their agreement to the proposed exchange. After this, a final confirmation prompt will appear for each of you. Once you are absolutely sure, type P, trade complete to finalize the transaction. Congratulations, you have successfully traded in Poketwo and received your new Pokemon or items.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.